Well, hi there. Ready to do some fishing? I certainly am. I'm excited. Haven't been able to get out on the water too much here recently. The last week and a half. Had some family in town and had some other things going on. So I'm excited to do a little bit of fishing. We'll see how it goes. Yes, sir. I definitely live in the country. The goal today is just to catch some bass. Last week we had a really strong cold front come through. Water temperatures dropped 6 to 10 degrees in the afternoon, surface temperatures. It pushed fish out of the creeks down to their deeper hideouts. It's warmed up the last week. We'll see. Sorry about the bump there. We'll see if the fish are moved back up shallow, if we can catch some. Here's a little fish, which I'm happy about since this is up shallow. Oh, it's a little bit bigger one than I thought. It's about 14 inches. Maybe a little bigger. Oh, that is a little bit bigger. That's a good one. Good keeper size. Well, praise the Lord for that one. Look at that one. That's a nice bass there. Oh, let me get out of this stuff here. Wind's got me blowing away. Back in this back corner over here, I've seen some great blue heron, and since they've been back there, I think I'll go back there because they like eating fish, about the size fish that bass like eating. Well, this front might have pushed them off of this flat. Here we go. Here's one. Stay down, little bass fish. Don't flip. There we go. Look at that one. Look at that one there. Might be stressing my knot a little bit here. But there's a good looking bass. See? Those great blue heron back here, they didn't lie to me. But regardless of which rod you fish it on, you need to make sure it's clean. You need to know what a clean wobble feels like, and that's why I'm picking the weeds off of it every time. If that wobble, if that deflection is reduced, one, you're going to get hung up on those sticks you're trying to bounce off of, and two, it's just not going to provoke as many strikes. You're just not going to have the lure do what it's intended to do, and the purpose of a lure is for it to do what it's intended to do, regardless of what you're fishing. And a square bill is designed to bump into things and bounce off of things, and if you hang some stuff, you can give it a little pop and to try to pull some of those weeds off of it. But if that's, I think I saw a loon over there. I haven't saw a loon down here in a long time. I was born up in northwestern Ontario, Canada, and they have loons up there in the land of the Canadians. fact, that's what their $1 coin is, the loonie. Not sure if we're going to see it, but I don't know. It was some type of diving bird. It wasn't a coot or anything. There it is right there. Can you see that loon right in front of me? Look at that. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that loon. I have the camera on the back. Look at that pretty thing. I have not seen a loon down here, and I can't remember how long. There it goes. Well, let me try a worm a couple of times. See if dragging a worm on the bottom is what they're looking for. There we go. There's one. First cast with the worm. First cast with the worm. How about that? Where you at, fishy? How about that? First cast with the worm. So I've caught him on square bill. Caught him on lipless. Caught him on the worm. Let me see here. Got a little tooth patch on that girl. How about that? Here's one. Here's a bass. I don't think it's very big. It's just a little one. Just a little one. Got a face full of lipless. Come here. There we go. Another little female. That one's only about 12 inches there. But it's got the belly of a female, unless it's been eating something else on this Strike King crawfish colored lipless. Just like most of the time, it hit it on the fall. Well, it's almost time to go. Hopefully you enjoyed this little episode today and enjoyed seeing me catch a few fish if you weren't able to get out and catch a few yourself. I know when I take friends or family fishing or go fishing with friends or family, I enjoy watching them catch fish almost more than I enjoy it. There's nothing quite like the tug on the end of your line, but there's also nothing quite like seeing the joy in the face of a friend who's catching a fish for the first time or the first time in a while. Seeing the happiness of a young child, see that bobber go under the water, or feel that bass take a run for the first time. There's something special about that. There we go. There's one more. Well, praise the Lord for that. One more to end the day. One more to end the day. Here we go. Come here, bass fish. Look at that. There we go. Another one on the square bill. I think if I fish this riprap along here, I could probably catch a couple more, but it's about time to go. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm Daniel, the low budget outdoorsman. God bless.